Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going straight to the storage screen. Open Settings, General iPhone Storage, and pick the app using the most space. Once done, choose Offload App to remove the binary but keep documents and data. This instantly frees the app size without losing your account or settings. Make sure to back up critical app data to iCloud or a computer first, because offloading preserves local files, but a clean reinstall after a reset will need that backup. Now you tackle residual data. Open the app itself and clear cache, remove downloaded media, and delete saved sessions you no longer need. Once done, check iPhone storage again. Some apps still host large containers. If offloading didn't free expected space, delete the app entirely and reinstall. This removes the app container and cached files. Make sure to export or save any account-specific exports first, because deletion removes documents unless they were synced or backed up externally. Finish by reinstalling the app. Sign back in and confirm your data synced from iCloud or the backup. Once done, give the device a restart and check Settings, General iPhone Storage again to validate the recovered space. If storage still shows large unused allocations, make sure backups aren't duplicating data. As a last resort, perform a full backup, then restore the iPhone to clear orphaned containers. If something goes wrong, restore the backup and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.